Brothers Tire, and on behalf of expertvillage.com, we're here to talk about how to find what is the correct tire pressure for your vehicle. And the best way to do that is to open the door jamb of your car and find the correct placard that is put somewhere on one of the door jambs. It may be right in here, maybe along the bottom here. I found it right here on this particular vehicle, and you want to just read and find the correct size tire you have on your vehicle here and match that up with which PSI would be corrected for your vehicle. Like this one requires 26 pounds for the front and 33 pounds for the rear. So we're going to want to adjust that accordingly to get your vehicle within spec that's set by the manufacturer. Now, if for some reason there's not a door placard right here on your vehicle, you can check all of the other doors on your vehicle, and also another source of information to find this information. It would be in your owner's manual for your vehicle. So check that out. It's very important for good fuel economy, good tire wear, that you have your tire air pressure set at the proper specifications from the manufacturer. Okay, so that's a good tip for you. Have a good day.